Welcome back to Teach Me How to Clean. Today I'm sharing with you guys why you should always use shaving cream to clean your plastic cutting boards. Shaving cream actually has a really great acidic value that is really great for killing bacteria that can harbor in your plastic cutting boards. Shaving cream has a lot of really cool, fun uses that are actually really convenient for cleaning around your home. All you're going to have to do is take your shaving cream and buff it into your plastic cutting board here. I'm adding a little bit more in some places than in others, just because that's what I did this day. But I went ahead and added a fair amount of shaving cream, let this sit just for a couple of hours, I think right around 3 or 4, rinsed it off in my kitchen sink, took a dry towel and dried it off, and bam, I sanitized and whitened my plastic cutting board just like that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in another one.